Its components will be told by my friend Ishan.
The components are used Arduino UNO switch, motor driver, battery, and motor, and fan plate.
Now the working will be told by my friend Kapish.
As my friend Ishan told you that the components used in this are Arduino UNO battery and switch and motor drive and motor. And now I will tell you the uses of these things. The Arduino UNO is used as the brain system of the whole project, and the switch which is used for giving supply and cutting supply of electricity, and then motor driver which is used for controlling fan speed, and then the battery which is used for giving electricity to the project, and then the motor which is used for giving electricity and power to fan to rotate. And now I will show you how it works. So if we take our hand from 0 to 50, it will move low speed, and when we put our hand on 50 to 100, the speed will be medium, and then when we will put our hand from 100 to 180, the speed will become very high. Thank you.
Thank you. And now the application and uses of this are the blind people can use in their homes for detecting many functions. When they show their hands for fan, they can control their home system. And when they put their hand for controlling their phone, for on the fan, they can put their hand to this system, and they will detect their hand. Now the fan will start moving. For more, we can use in this the temperature measuring, which can be used for how the temperature will increase, then the speed also of the fan also will increase. Thank you.